Hello and welcome to Is It True? And welcome again to my scientific co-host Iva Milinkovic.
Hello, Gerrit.
Let's do another one of these fast-paced fact-checking episodes where we answer a question that is floating around in our community. Iva, for this episode, what is the question and who is the expert answering it?
Well, for this episode, we have a pure prosthodontic question, and I think that prosthodontic community will be curious to hear, is it true that monolithic zirconia is currently the material of choice for full-arch implant-supported restorations? And the question will be presented and answered by Professor Piero Venezia.
Yes, it's true, absolutely true. And also because zirconia is a wonderful material, in my opinion. We can take a digital impression, we can plan a prosthetic habilitation in the lab, and finally we can transfer all information about rehabilitation. That means vertical dimension, relationship between and the lower jaw in the final rehabilitation. So the aesthetic results of a zirconia rehabilitation, monolithic zirconia rehabilitation, are very, very nice nowadays. But sometimes we have some problems. And as you can see, this is a catastrophic failure of the zirconia framework. And so we have to change something in our rehabilitation. We have to change our strategies, we have to change our materials. So we need, for example, a titanium or cobalt chrome bar to reinforce the zirconia. And this is the final result of this kind of rehabilitation. So once more, zirconia is a wonderful material, in my opinion.
Thank you, Piero Venezia, for telling us this is in fact true, very true, although, however, sometimes there might be new problems on the horizon. Iva, what does this answer mean for our daily clinical practice?
I think this answer is really important for everyday clinical practice because, as Dr. Venezia says, monolithic zirconia is a wonderful material. So it can be used either for frameworks or for teeth. As he advised, we might be still choosing some different materials for frameworks for full arch restorations, but in terms of mechanical properties and aesthetics, monolithic zirconia is perfect material of choice for full arch restorations for the selection of teeth, and it could be aesthetically enhanced by microveneering if necessary, and it is per se aesthetically and mechanically good material. So this is definitely the material of present and of future, I would say.
All right, Iva, thank you very much. Let's move forward into the future. Thank you for watching.